You've learned the language of the trenches. You know what the well is. You know what pump and dump means. You know what the knife drop is. And many other terminologies that are used in crypto trading. But listen to this. Words do not win war. Execution does. Yesterday, we armed you with crypto trading terminologies. And today, we are going to fight. And the first weapon in your arsenal is swing trading. A trading strategy is not a guess. It's a plan, a blueprint that decides when do I enter and when do I leave? When do I bleed less? There's no magic bullet. Your strategy depends on your experience, your gut, and how much risk you can sleep with. And here's the first and most beginner-friendly weapon: swing trading. A swing trader doesn't live on a 1-minute candle. They don't marry a coin. They date it for days, sometimes weeks, or even a couple of months. Their goal is to capture the market's natural rhythm. That's the swings. And here's how they do it. They buy when the price is low. They hold and then sell when the price is high. You might be wondering, so then how do you do this? What you do is you look for beaten down assets. Those cryptocurrencies that are undervalued, but they have the real potential of having their values skyrocketing in the nearby future. After you buy them, you hold them, not for too long, but just long enough for the swing to lift you. And here's the kicker. You can also sell overvalued coins first, then buy them when they are cheaper. That's not greed, that's mechanics. But you might have a question, why do beginners love it? They love it because they don't have to look at the charts 24/7. And they don't follow the noise, but the trends. And the last thing is that they trade at their own pace and make profits at their own pace without the heart attack of day trading. But swing trading is just the first on the ladder. You felt the swing. Now, imagine holding through the entire seasons. Imagine riding waves that last months and not days. That's position trading. And that's where real wealth lives. We just armed you with the swing trading. In the next video, we will talk conviction, macro trends, and how to sit on your hands when the world panics. You've learned the words, you've learned the swing. Now get ready to learn the stance. Because in this game, the patient predator eats last, but eats the best.